Let me point out that we always take off and land. I was showing some of the kids earlier. Let's take off and land into the wind. So our wind is from the north, coming this way at the moment, but it's switching around. Racetrack pattern. If it's under 5 miles an hour, it doesn't make any difference which way you take off. That's the rule around here. Most
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Each pilot gets 2 balloons. You got to try to pop it with the propeller. We don't. Little Blair in there. You think your grandfather had machine guns? He did, didn't he? He had machine guns. Yeah, but we're not going to use machine guns today. We're going to use the propellers. All right. Look at them all backing out of formation. Pretend it's a squadron of Hellcats in the South Pacific attacking shipping below. Now this first pass is going to be reenacting strafing, which was very dangerous because if you were shooting up a target of opportunity, as the P-47s did in World War II, railroad trains and marshalling yards and whatnot, we had people on the ground shooting back. In this case, the balloons will not shoot back. Watch as Justin Currier leads the president in that Boeing PT-17. Oh, it's rising straight up. Just about. Almost. Now watch the balloon. It may go in circles from the prop wash. And we get an example. The prop wash, let's watch this. You got a chance for 2 balloons. Mr. Moore. The prop wash is just like in the air. It looks like the water behind an outboard motorboat, churning in very violent circles. There you see the balloon going in circles, and prop wash, wake turbulence settles earthward. There we go. Woo! That's Dave Conn, who is going to give us a tremendous demonstration of primary aerobatics. There's one for the Navy. One for the Navy, little Baron. And here comes Chuck Tippett, finest flight instructor on the East Coast. Now watch the balloon going in circles. See that? That's prop wash or wake turbulence. That's what causes the airplanes to be buffeted around if you're following it. John Weyrich. Now the Waco Weaver Aircraft Company built in Troy, Ohio. Well, that balloon was caught in wake turbulence. See it going down? Wake turbulence settles. See it going down to the ground? Now if that's a 747, it also has wake turbulence. It settles, so you don't want to get caught in that. Gravity brings it down. These balloons are below treetop level. Let's see what we can do with them. One's above. I guess they're both above now. So there we go. Almost. What's going on? He dropped his wallet. The little Baron says he's going to go out there and pick up somebody's wallet. Enterprising little kid. There he goes. Going to sell it back to him. All right. Here comes Dave Conn. He's going to do some great air. Notice up there. Yeah, baby. 2 for 2 for Dave. Firmin, chief pilot for American Airlines, Washington, D.C. Almost. There it goes in circles. See that? Prop wash. Just like the water behind an outboard motorboat. You just can't see it. And the little Baron going out there on the field is going to get himself in trouble. Here comes Chuck Tippett closing in with the Travel Air 4000. We see 2 in the front with that. That was a very popular airplane for mail delivery in the 30s. And even in the 20s. Beautiful.
He got it, John Weyrich.
There's the sound of the balloons coming. Now the Weaver aircraft. Waco. WACO, not Waco, Texas.
Joe gonna get that? Yes!
Joe Bender nails it. He's one of our wing walking pilots and a wing walker. Does both. We have him and Chuck Tippett on the field to do both. Now a bombing demonstration from low altitude. And this is a reenactment of the way the Russian women pilots in 1943 dropped small bombs on the German troops. The little Baron's out there in the way. Sacks of flour will be coming down onto the field. Oh, he's running for his life now. Oh, looks like he got splattered. 3-pound sacks of flour. Now the Flying Conn brothers, Rick and Dave, with the bracket bomb. They called them, the Germans called them the Night Witches in 1943 because they all flew at night without any landing lights whatsoever. No navigational aid. Down go the sacks of flour. Almost. With the Polycombo PO2 biplanes with 125 horsepower 5-cylinder engines. Looks like a Kinner 5-cylinder engine. Ooh, that was a good one. Keith Firmin throwing it down. Now Chuck Tippett and his oldest airplane flying on the field. The mid-20s Travel Air 4000. Skipped right over him. Very popular airplane for air shows and especially mail delivery during the 20s and 30s. Don Weyrich, good shot, and the last one. By Joe Bender. Our most popular ride is the double ride in the front seat of this airplane and the red airplane. Oh, the little Baron ran in the outhouse.